Hi there. I am getting ready to go on a photo shoot and I am going to take you with me. So what's going to happen on this photo shoot is I am going to do one pose or a one pose challenge. And basically what's going to happen is I'm going to pose my subject one way and then I'm going to get as many different shots from this one pose and I'm going to share them with you. So I want you to see how you can take one pose and get a lot of variety from it. So let's go. You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me tremble. Here we are getting started. First off, I'm showing my client how to pose, and then I'm going to start shooting around her. I'm going to shoot high, I'm going to shoot low, I'm going to shoot in several different directions. The only direction that I am not going to shoot is from the window in. So pretty much for all these shots, I'm going for a dark and moody look. So in all of them, I'm going to shoot towards the window to get the look that I'm going for. When you have your client posed and you're taking photos, don't forget to get in and do detail shots. Detail shots are great for their album, but also great for your portfolio. A lot of times clients will not allow you to use face shots, but they're happy to let you use detail shots. So be sure to get those as you're shooting. I have her in the same pose, but I'm tweaking it a little bit by having her change the way her hands are or having her change the way her head is, like having her face lean towards me or away from me. So just by changing it slightly, I'm able to get a lot of different looks, but still keeping basically the same pose. I hope you'll post some comments below and let me know what you think about this one pose challenge. And if you decide to do this challenge yourself, I hope that you'll tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. And I hope that you'll follow me here on YouTube by hitting the subscribe button, because I do have a lot more content coming up. And if you found this video useful at all today, I hope that you'll hit the like button because it really helps me out a lot. And I just love being able to get your feedback. So thank you so much for that. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye. One pose challenge.